Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. I've been seeing this method all over the internet lately. People are saying you can get unlimited gems and coins in tasty travels using just your phone. No computer, no fancy tools, super easy. It sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to try it myself and see what happened. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, show you exactly what I did, and reveal the results. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. Next, I opened my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. I went to the website everyone was mentioning and searched for the Tasty Travels tool for unlimited gem and coin collection. The website loaded normally, no weird redirects or spammy pop-ups, which honestly made it seem more authentic than I expected. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it worked, I reopened Tasty Travels and checked my gems and coins balance. The extra resources were already there. No delays, no restarting the game. It updated instantly on my device. I honestly didn't expect it to be that smooth. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.